So, good day guys. I am going to show how to build a funnel using Shopify.io funnel builder in your sub account. So, okay, let's go to sites, and then sites, funnels, and then click new funnel. So we can choose different uh, options here. So we can create funnel from EI or from templates. So okay, so let's create funnel from templates. Okay, so we can choose many templates as we want. What or design of our preferences. So let's choose this template. Okay, let's wait for a while. So you can select you can enable auto save here. So you can edit the text. You can add images, buttons. So once you are done editing with the funnel, you can select, you can save it, or okay, you can also rename it here, or you can publish it, and that's it.